Alright, so let's talk about how you can actually use Midjourney for free AI art. Because I know a lot of people don't want to pay for a subscription right away. First thing you need to know, Midjourney officially runs on Discord. Normally you'd have to pay to keep using it, but here's the trick. Community servers. There are Discords that let you try Midjourney prompts through their bot without paying. Usually with limited daily credits, just search for free Midjourney Discord server and you'll find some. Second option, if you already have a Midjourney account but don't want to pay, they sometimes give trial generations to new accounts. They usually around 25 free images, so use those wisely. And third, alternative tools like Blue Willow AI and Leonardo AI are free and work almost the same way. You just type your prompt and you get the art. Honestly, if you just want a quick AI art for free, these alternatives are worth checking out. So bottom line, you either join free Discord servers running Midjourney, use the limited trial, or just hop on a free alternative that works just as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.